Welcome. If you want to send a spoiler photo on WhatsApp Web using your PC with the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through every step to make sure your image stays hidden until your friend decides to reveal it. First, open WhatsApp Web in your browser and log in by scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're in, find the chat where you want to send the spoiler photo. This could be a group or an individual conversation. Just click on the chat to open it. Now, look for the plus icon at the bottom left corner of the chat window. Click on it, and you'll see several options pop up. Choose Photos and Videos to start selecting the image you want to send from your computer. A File Explorer window will appear. Browse through your folders, find the photo you want to send as a spoiler, and click Open. The image will now load in the WhatsApp web chat preview. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the blur icon. This is the new feature that lets you blur or hide your photo before sending it. Click on the blur icon, then use your mouse to select the entire image. This will apply a blur effect across the whole photo, making it unreadable until the recipient taps to reveal it. Once you're happy with the blur, all that's left is to click Send. Your photo will now appear in the chat as a spoiler, blurred and hidden from view until your friend chooses to reveal it. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can keep surprises, memes, or sensitive images under wraps until the perfect moment. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips on using WhatsApp Web's latest features. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.